Circle of Champions is the highest level of leadership within the Success Factory community. This assemblage consists of the leaders who lead by example and are role models for the people around them. They understand that how you do something shows how you do everything. Top leaders in the Circle have a special connection with the company. Their input will be highly regarded and taken into account, helping the management of Success Factory to make the best choices. These leaders are the most hardworking and committed leaders in the community and are always passionate about what they're doing. The leaders within the Circle of Champions are always positive and are focused on solutions, not problems. It's most important that they always put their team before themselves. The leaders within the Circle of Champions are entitled to special recognition.